Here is a smartphone in my hands. You can watch. Nice to see. And you guys, how are you today? Nice to see you. And I use it each day to do my daily works. Everything I do by this smartphone, everything is depends on it, because such as my works, my studies, my at all, everything I do my this smartphone. So right now it's not usable because the touch of it doesn't work. The touch of it doesn't work. This is why I'm in a big problem. Moreover, my mother doesn't call her parents or her relatives, means her sister, brother and son. So my brothers and sisters cannot watch TV cartoons. So it's at all, it's a very bad news for everyone because it is unusable right now. So when I use it, then I become temperatureless. Then I lost my temperature, because when I go to use it, then the touch of it doesn't work. I see you can see the touch of this phone doesn't work. So it's a big problem for me, and I use it each day to watch video. I listen British podcast. I watch videos. They are very useful to improve my English lecture or IELTS exams. So I watch video by this phone, but right now it doesn't work. This is why I'm in a big problem. So I'm thinking of buying new phone. This is why I'll distract it in no time. I'll leave it in no time. So pray for me so that I can buy a new phone to do my daily works. Thank you very much for watching me. Now